In this quick guide, we're going to show you how you can enable Hey Siri on your iPhone 16. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more iPhone tips just like this. It really does help out the channel. With Hey Siri turned on, you can activate Siri hands-free, meaning that you don't need to press any buttons in order to do so. To actually enable this, simply open up your Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down on this page until you get to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go ahead and click on it, and then from here, find the option called Talk to Siri and open that up. From here, you need to go ahead and find the option that says Siri or Hey Siri or just simply Hey Siri. Go ahead and select your preferred activation phase. In this case, I'm going to choose Hey Siri, and then from here, you just need to follow the on-screen steps to train Siri to recognize your voice. Once that's done, just say Hey Siri to activate it anytime, completely hands-free. But that's it. You've now set up voice activation for Siri on your iPhone 16. Make sure to like this video if it did help you out. And of course, consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this. If you do have any questions though, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.